Headwraps, and today I would like to show you how I do a Regal wrap with a Sari Sash. Now these Sari Sashes are handcrafted from our 10 strip layered saris, and typically we will have 2 or 3 layers which make up our sash, which means they're quite small, which means they're really versatile. And yeah, so this is what I normally do with them, which is a Regal, and as my base scarf I've got a big softie, and as you can see I've got this red and black theme going on today. So let me just deconstruct this and I'll show you how I do it. So I've got my big softie, my base scarf, tied at the back and 2 even ends, and then I have put on my Sari Sash, and obviously you can actually have it all the way to the front, you can have it just a tiny sliver, you can put it all the way back, obviously you can put it wherever you want. And I've actually done them with uneven ends because then that gives me a tiny bit extra to work with on the top pass. So base scarf, 2 even ends, sash, 1 long, 1 short. And then what I'm going to do, again, as I always say, there's always one end which is ever so slightly shorter than the other, and I will always move that one over first. And I'm just going to tie that in a normal Regal. And then, this is something I do a lot, I hide away extra ends that I don't need. Now you could always tie this with even ends, and then you can actually show both of these, because then you would get, obviously imagine that's longer and it's going to tuck in right. You could actually get full coverage with, you could actually get it so you've got, you know, quite a broad half sari going on there. But I'm going to hide this away because it's extra and I don't want it. I want to get the stripy look. So all I'm going to do is, when I fold this under, and again you're wanting to fold the curling over ends inwards, so especially with these big softies, they're fabulous, but these fringy bits here, I always seem to end up having a few sticking out. But just lay it flat, fold it over. You don't need to be exact, you're just trying to hide it. And obviously there you go, you can't see it, it's gone. So this is the second part of a normal Regal with the big softie. Tuck it in. And then you just take your sash and you bring it up and over. Now you don't have to stripe it, you could do it like that, so you end up with a really wide sash. But what I did is I had it so I've got the same amount of black showing. I've got what, about 2 centimetres there, about 2 centimetres here. Bring it round the back and just find somewhere to tuck it in. I'm actually tucking it into the big softie as opposed to in on itself, just because then you get a smoother line there, and there you go. I'm wearing this over a Serenity, but you know, you can do that over any shape at any size. So there you go, hope that was helpful, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!